Spettacolo, spettacolo.
Hello guys, today we prepare the saltimbocca alla romana. You need the beef, a Parma ham, 1 leaf of sage, today I have the helper, l'uomo di casa, a wooden stick tooth, I don't know but you will read the name, a little bit of flour, and after we fry in the butter. If you have a white wine, you can put also a little bit of white wine. Now I'll show you, if you come more close, how to make it. Okay, after that you have done with the beef, the alternative, because with the beef is the original recipe from Italy, saltimbocca alla romana. You can do also with the pork, so I will use a piece of loin plus the bacon, and also if you don't like the pork for some reason, you can do it also with the chicken. But in this case we will not make a steak, but we will cut the meat in pieces. So piece of meat, bacon, 1 of these, sage, thank you, with the teeth stick, okay, you stop everything together, you block, after if you like you can put in the flour again, and you fry in the butter. See you at the end of the video for the tasting. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to watch all the other videos, to share the video with your friends, and also to subscribe to the channel of my friends, L'UOMO di Casa, that now is working with me for this video.